Let's just jump right into this explainer and discover the absolute master key to unlocking the breathtaking landscapes of Texas. Whether you're a seasoned RVer plotting out your next cross-country route or a total beginner just looking for a beautiful spot to hike this weekend, understanding how to navigate the Texas State Park system is absolutely essential. Did you know that unlocking unlimited adventures across 88+ state parks in Texas is really as easy as having one annual pass? If you're eager to discover thrilling outdoor activities without the hassle of paying daily entrance fees every single time you visit, keep watching to find out exactly how to get your hands on the pass today. Here's what we'll be covering in today's explainer. Unlocking Texas State Parks, finding your perfect pass, how to buy that pass, maximizing your park adventures, and finally, some pass holder FAQs and troubleshooting. Section 1. Unlocking Texas State Parks, the ultimate master key. 88. That is the magic number. A single Texas State Parks pass grants you unlimited entry for an entire year to over 88 diverse state parks and historic sites scattered all across the state. Just think about that for a second. With one pass, you've got a year-long invitation to hike the rugged trails of Palo Pinto Mountains, swim the cool waters of Garner State Park, or marvel at the massive dome of Enchanted Rock, all without paying another dime at the entry gate. And the sheer value of this pass goes way beyond just free entry. Anyone riding with you in the same non-commercial vehicle gets in for free too. Plus, it unlocks discounts on camping reservations, reduces the cost of renting recreational equipment like kayaks or bikes, and even gets you a discount on merchandise at the park stores. You also get a free Getaway Planner e-newsletter that's totally customized to your specific interests. It's basically a comprehensive VIP package for the outdoors. Moving on to Section 2, finding your perfect pass, eligibility, and costs. So the primary pass costs $70 for the year, but here's an amazing perk. If you have a second member of your household, like a spouse or a roommate who lives at your exact same physical address, they can get their own card for just $25. This is absolutely perfect for families who might travel to the parks in two separate vehicles or arrive at different times. Just keep in mind that secondary pass does require you to show matching IDs in person at the park. It's also super vital we talk about the Texas Parklands passports. The state provides some phenomenal accessibility through these, offering free or 50% reduced entry for qualifying individuals. This includes residents over 65, permanently disabled individuals, active duty military, honorably discharged veterans, Gold Star families, and anyone born before September 1st, 1930. If you fall into one of these categories, just bring your qualifying documents directly to a park to secure your reduced or waived entry fees. Section 3. How to buy your pass, securing your access. Okay, here is your step-by-step guide to actually getting the pass. Step 1. You can easily buy your primary pass online through the official Texas State Parks reservation site. Step 2, if you prefer talking to a real human, you can call the customer service center directly at 512-389-8900. And Step 3, you can literally just drive up. Passes can be purchased right at the headquarters of any of the 120 state parks and historic sites when you arrive. Now, a lot of beginners worry they have to wait around for the mail to arrive before they can go camping. Absolutely not. If you buy it the day of your trip, you get immediate park access. Your official, customized plastic card and welcome package will simply arrive by mail within 30 to 45 days. So you can literally buy it today and hit the trails today. Section 4. Maximizing your park adventures. Hitting the trail. Texas State Parks Director Walt Dabney anchors the financial logic perfectly here. He points out that daily entrance fees vary from $2 to $5 a person. When you calculate a family visiting a park for a 3-day weekend, those per-person fees add up incredibly fast. At $70 for an entire year of unlimited vehicle entry, it doesn't take very long or very many trips for this pass to completely pay for itself. Now, this is absolutely crucial for a stress-free trip. You've got to utilize the Save the Day reservation system. Listen closely to this. Even with an annual pass, you are not guaranteed entry if a park reaches its maximum capacity. To avoid driving all the way out there just to be turned away, you should always go online up to a month in advance and reserve a Save the Day pass. Since you're a pass holder, the system rings it up as $0, but it guarantees your spot. Section 5. Pass holder FAQs and troubleshooting. Pro tips for the trail. First up in our troubleshooting section, what happens if you want to gift an annual pass to an outdoorsy friend for the holidays? Seems simple enough, right? Well, it's a bit nuanced. Because passes are strictly linked to individual IDs, they are non-transferable. You can't just buy a pass with someone else's name on it. But there is a perfect workaround. You just buy a Texas State Park gift card. You hand them the gift card, and they can effortlessly exchange it for their own pass whenever they're ready. That way, the 12-month clock on their pass doesn't even start ticking until they actually activate it. Here's another incredibly common scenario. Imagine driving halfway across the state and arriving late at night to set up your campsite way after the park office is closed. How on earth do you check in? No worries, you just use the self-pay Iron Ranger stations located at the park entrances. But to do this, you absolutely must have your physical plastic card on hand. You'll fill out an envelope at the Iron Ranger, and you have to physically write down your unique pass number onto that envelope so the rangers can verify your entry the next morning. If you leave it blank, you might just wake up to a citation. And finally, our conclusion: your next adventure awaits. I want to leave you with this sentiment from park goer Mel Gideon. Buying a pass isn't just about saving your family money, though it definitely does that. Every pass purchased directly funds the conservation and maintenance of these incredible Texas landscapes. You are literally helping to keep the parks pristine for the next generation. Just a quick reminder here, please always verify current pricing, pass rules, and park capacity limits directly with the Texas Parks and Wildlife Department. Details and prices can definitely shift over time, so you always want to be prepared. So, with over 88 breathtaking parks unlocked by a single card in your wallet, the only question left is, which Texas state park will you conquer first? Let us know your first destination in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical explainer guides designed to enhance your travels. Get out there and explore.